Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. Sorry, this episode is going to be filmed in my garage because it's raining outside and I did not sleep much last night. So, we're actually just going to briefly talk on a softer subject here. So, YouTube's obviously a big community. There's a lot of different channels out there, and just like any community, we make friends and we have people that we watch their channels, and we network with. And one of those people are Perkins Builder Brothers, and we'll put a link to their channel down in the description. But it's two brothers, Erik and Jaime. And I was talking with Erik last night, and it was a little late to the game for me because I just haven't been keeping up with things. And Erik informed me that Jaime was actually involved in a bad woodworking accident in his shop a couple mornings ago, and he's messed up one of his hands real bad. So he's going to have a pretty lengthy recovery. And I just didn't sleep well last night. And I think it was just because I'm thinking back to like all the accidents that I've seen happen on job sites and even stuff that's happened to myself. And you know that this guy, he's working with his hands on a daily basis. So it's going to be a major hit to him. We're all tough guys. We've all been to hospitals and gotten tons of stitches throughout the years. It just kind of comes with the territory. But what he's probably mentally going through, I think, is even tougher, just being a carpenter and his hands are his livelihood. Fortunately, medical practice has come a long way and they can do, some pretty amazing things. So I'm hoping that, he's going to regain most movement and mobility out of his hands or out of his hand and really make a, strong, quick recovery. But sorry if I'm like stuttering. I'm like, did not sleep last night. But yeah, so we just wanted to take this opportunity to not only introduce you guys to Perkins Builder Brothers, there's going to be a link in the description to their channel. So anything you guys can do, go check them out. They have great videos, awesome content. And then also there's going to be a link to the GoFundMe for his brother for the medical expenses for Jaime. But just keep in mind, it goes way beyond even the medical expenses. When you work with your hands on a daily basis, and that's pretty much how you make all your money, it's going to go past the medical expenses into everyday work and recovery and, trying to adapt to a new way of having to do things. So I'm sure, the goal that they set, it probably, isn't even close, and these guys aren't guys that like to reach out and ask for help. Most of us in construction, even if something's going wrong, we usually don't ask for help. So, but really great guys. We just wanted to take a second to, bring it up to our community, show our thoughts and prayers are for them and with them. And, hopefully they can make a quick, speedy recovery. To you, Jaime, Erik, stay strong, and we'll see you guys on the next one.